For sale, unused 2025 Ford F-750 Super Duty. Cab and chassis, 7.3-liter V8 gas, full factory. Warranty offered for sale is an unused 2025 Ford F-750 Super Duty cab and chassis configured with a straight frame and ready for a wide range of body upfit applications such as box truck, dump body, service body, flatbed, or specialty equipment installation. This Class 6 medium-duty truck is powered by Ford's robust 7.3-liter V8 gasoline engine, producing 335 horsepower, and paired with a Ford TorqueShift 6-speed automatic transmission and 4x2 drivetrain. The naturally aspirated V8 engine features an 8-cylinder configuration and operates on gasoline with a 47-gallon fuel capacity. The truck rides on spring suspension manufactured by Ford and utilizes hydraulic brakes with a single rear axle configuration. It carries a 25,999-pound GVWR supported by a 12,000-pound front axle rating and 21,000-pound rear axle rating, along with a 158-inch wheelbase and steel wheels. The chassis is built with a straight frame configuration, providing 133 inches from cab to end of frame and 88 inches from cab to axle, making it highly adaptable for a wide variety of commercial body installations. The truck has an approximate empty weight of 9,049 pounds and includes factory PTO provision, along with a limited slip differential to enhance traction in demanding work environments. Finished in white with a gray regular cab interior, the truck is equipped with air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, and Bluetooth connectivity for added driver convenience. This unit has never been titled and is sold with full factory warranty coverage, representing an excellent opportunity to acquire a brand new medium-duty platform, ready to be customized for commercial use.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.